Leaks surrounding DJI's upcoming products have sent waves of excitement through the camera and drone community, and this time, they're looking more real than ever. Igor Bogdanov, the well-known source for DJI leaks, has once again dropped something big, our clearest look yet at the upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Following an unofficial teaser video that briefly appeared online, Igor released a new series of outdoor testing photos that immediately went viral. His images were sharper, clearer, and far more detailed than anything seen before, practically confirming that the Pocket 4 is going to be a major leap forward compared to the Pocket 3. From the first glance, the Pocket 4 stands out for its new design. The camera head appears noticeably larger and heavier, hinting that DJI has integrated a dual-lens system, something that's been rumored for months. The gimbal head is bulkier, not for aesthetics, but because it's now housing a powerful dual-camera module. This change strongly suggests significant upgrades in image quality, dynamic range, stabilization, and creative flexibility for different shooting conditions. Even quick shots taken during indoor testing clearly show two distinct lenses positioned side by side, which instantly makes the Pocket 4 look more sophisticated and professional than anything DJI has released in its compact lineup so far. Interestingly, while the camera head looks larger, the handle appears thinner and more minimalistic. It seems DJI wanted to balance the proportions, keeping the new model portable and ergonomic despite the added power. The teaser video also showed the device being held vertically, a clear sign that DJI is optimizing the Pocket 4 for vertical content creation, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. In a world where short-form video dominates, this focus on vertical shooting could easily become one of its biggest selling points. Another fascinating leak showed the Pocket 3 and Pocket 4 mounted side by side on the same rig during field testing. This indicates that DJI is directly comparing color accuracy, exposure levels, rolling shutter performance, and stabilization. Even though the Pocket 4 prototype appears to be running early firmware, the screen already looks brighter, with improved contrast and possibly even new color profile options. The interface design also looks slightly different from DJI's usual style, suggesting that the software isn't finalized yet. Originally, most insiders believed the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 would launch in January 2026. However, new information suggests DJI may be pushing the release forward, possibly to December 18, 2025. The reason? Upcoming FCC wireless restrictions that take effect on December 23 could affect product certification timelines. Releasing earlier helps DJI avoid regulatory slowdowns. As for pricing, expectations are centered between $699 and $799, which seems reasonable given the massive hardware and performance upgrades. If all these leaks turn out to be true, the Osmo Pocket 4 might become the most impressive and capable model in the series to date. But the story doesn't end there. DJI's other upcoming product, the Avata 360 drone, has also entered the spotlight. A new leak revealed what appears to be the official retail box, and unlike the AI-generated mock-ups circulating online, this one looks completely authentic. The box matches DJI's classic minimalist design, white and gray tones, clean branding, and consistent typography. Drone enthusiasts believe this confirms that the Avata 360 is real and close to release. The box image appears to be from an Asian market, with multilingual labeling that hints at a simultaneous global launch. One major reveal from the box is that this version is the Fly More combo, meaning it includes 3 flight batteries instead of 1. For creators who hate frequent recharging, that's a big deal. Each battery is said to have 20% more capacity than the Avata 2's, allowing longer flights and more shooting flexibility. Based on details gathered from multiple sources, the Avata 360 could feature dual 1.3-inch sensors capable of recording native 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second. Users will be able to switch smoothly between immersive 360 capture and traditional FPV first-person view mode, something that no previous Avata drone could do. This versatility could completely change how aerial creators shoot their content. The Avata 360 is also rumored to come with the new Goggles 3 headset, supporting DJI's O4 transmission system for ultra-low latency video at distances up to 13 kilometers. This updated headset promises improved comfort with adjustable diopters for glasses-free flying, which is a thoughtful upgrade for professionals who fly for long periods. Alongside the goggles, DJI will reportedly include the RC Motion 3 controller, its intuitive, gesture-based control system that makes flying feel like an extension of your hand. Combined, these tools could make aerial filming far more engaging and accessible even to beginners. Beyond the drone and accessories, the Fly More combo will also include a charging hub, spare propellers, and a compact carrying case that neatly fits everything. The package dimensions are estimated to be around 12 by 10 by 6 inches, making it easy to transport for travel shoots. The leaked price tag around 6,899 yuan, roughly 975 United States dollars, positions the Avata 360 as a premium yet still attainable option for creators seeking professional-grade aerial 360 capture. The first leaks of the Avata 360 date back to May, when blurry prototype images surfaced online. Even though they lacked detail, enhanced versions of the photos revealed a thinner, longer drone body with a much lower top section, likely designed to keep the drone from appearing in 360 shots. The overall silhouette resembles a larger version of DJI's Neo 2 rather than the traditional Avata frame. Later leaks added even more intrigue when a new bump appeared on top of the drone believed to house the missing 360 lens from earlier prototypes. This fueled speculation that DJI may release two separate versions, one focused entirely on 360 video capture, and another optimized purely for high-speed FPV performance. This move would make sense given how DJI is merging the worlds of 360 imaging and FPV flying into one platform. In FPV mode, the drone is rumored to shoot crisp 5K video at 60 frames per second and capture 30-megapixel still photos. Meanwhile, in full 360 mode, it could produce up to 120-megapixel panoramic stills, numbers that would easily set a new benchmark for the category. To handle this heavy data, DJI is reportedly increasing onboard storage to 128 GB and retaining microSD card support for extended recording sessions. Flight time is said to reach around 25 minutes, a slight but meaningful bump compared to its predecessor. The Avata 360 isn't just about higher specs, it's also expected to include advanced safety systems and intelligent tracking modes to make flying safer and more intuitive. DJI has always focused on blending performance with usability, and if these leaks are accurate, the Avata 360 could become the go-to drone for creators looking to blend cinematic FPV flying with immersive 360 experiences. Taken together, the leaks of the Osmo Pocket 4 and Avata 360 paint an exciting picture of what's coming next from DJI. The company seems to be stepping up its innovation game, catering not only to professional filmmakers but also to social media creators and everyday storytellers. Between the handheld power of the Pocket 4 and the aerial versatility of the Avata 360, DJI looks poised to dominate both creative spaces in 2025. If even half of these rumors come true, the coming launch season might redefine how creators shoot, share, and experience visual storytelling altogether.